Hello everybody, Albanidis Kostas, and I would like to show you how easily you can set your permalinks for your pages or your posts when you create a web page and you add the post, or you create another page to your WordPress installation. So let's select let's say the support here, or the terms of service from here. When we click on edit, we have the ability, let me show you, from the right panel to set the permalink. Okay, usually WordPress uses what we write as a title to set it as a permalink over here. You're gonna see the permalink over to this place URL, and you can change this option. If you just click on it, and you're gonna see this pop-up comes up, and you can just write anything you want. That's gonna give a unique name to the particular page or post. Okay. So to this situation, it's going to be AI tool detective / terms of service. Okay, if I add, let's say, number 1 here, it's going to make it terms of service 1. If I'm going to if I'm going to copy and paste this link to anywhere to share with friends, anybody that's gonna click, he's gonna be landed to this page. So it's better to create nice and readable permalinks, and so that people can recognize and see where this link is taking them off. I hope you understand it. It's very simple. You just change here the permalink, and after you fix the permalink, you just click update and you're done. Thank you very much for watching this video. I wish you the best, and see you to the next video. Bye bye.